Yes,
like
sir.
last time?
Yes, sir.
वो भी एयरफोर्स है, ये भी एयरफोर्स
Yes,
है.
sir.
Okay, चलो good, very nice. So, hmm, you are already selected, Govind, and still you are planning to go again for the next time. What is the reason?
Uh, Sir, my primary goal is to be in NDA only, sir. From past few months, few years, I would say. Like other than NDA, I had not explore. I will say for me, joining armed forces is the main goal. That's why, sir, I'm appearing for second time also.
My question was slightly different. You are already selected, na? So as it is, probably you will go.
Oh,
So why are you going trying again?
sir, actually, I secured AIR 552, which is not so good rank, sir. That's why I had appeared for second attempt also, and this
Okay.
time I will try to secure good rank so that joining letter is confirmed.
Okay, so merit lists, when you want to have a better position
Yes,
in
sir.
merit list. So you may get a call, may not get a call because
Yes,
of
sir.
your 550
Yes, sir.
plus kind
Yes,
of a rank or merit. So Govind, I know you have already gone through the interview, got selected also, but I am asking the same question again in the same manner and try to answer as much as possible. Okay, so starting from class 8th onwards, you have to tell me various subjects you had, how much marks or grades or percentage you have been achieving, and how much hard work or effort you are putting to achieve those kind of marks, grades, and percentages. Your extracurricular activities that was available in your school right from 8th onwards, which activity you have taken part and any achievement. Uh, you may include sports and games also, and your friend circle in the school days, and even in your locality, who have become your best friend and why he or she is your best friend, and what kind of boys and girls you are not very comfortable to be friendly with, and what are the other competitive examination which you have given, what has been the result of those competitive examination apart from NDA, and your favorite subject and not so favorite subject, and who was your favorite teacher, not so favorite teacher, and what you want to become in future, what are your backup plans, and how is your education being financed till now. Start.
So, sir, in 8th class, I secured 74 percentage. In 9th class, I secured 78 percentage. And in 10th class, I again secured 78.8 percentage. In 11th class, sir, I secured 72 percentage only. And, sir, in 12th class, I am able to secure 80.6 percentage. Sir, about what curriculum activities before that, what subjects I like, sir, maths is my favorite subject, and sir, in chemistry I little bit struggle in chemistry. Sir, talking about co-curricular activities from 8th class onwards, sir, I'm being more towards sports and not so towards studies in around 8, 9, 10 standards. So at that time, sir, I had participated in dance competitions also, intra-school competitions only, intra-school house competitions. Also, apart from that, sir, I am starting of 8th standard, there was COVID, sir. So we are not going school offline. It is online mode. Sir, after 9 onwards, it is being offline. So after that, sir, I had been actively involved in sports like kabaddi and in athletics, running and long jump. Sir, then sir, talking about friends, sir, in my school, there are a lot of friends, but some of which are very close to me are Gauran, Sanvi, and Rudransh. In my locality, sir, Samat is my best friend. Also, sir, talking about teachers, my one of my favorite teacher is Dipti Das ma'am. She is an English teacher, and sir, as such, not particular teacher who I don't like. Like at some time, it being that when I'm not able to understand properly, we like I sometimes have some talks with them which are not so appropriate. Like I'm not able to understand, then I feel ki sir, please, can you please explain it again. Then if like whole class is sitting, then teachers also feel that time is wasting for others. So I then go personally. So there are not any particular teacher whom I don't like, but sir Diptidas ma'am is one of my favorite teacher.
English teacher.
Yes, sir. English
Which class?
teacher. Sir, in ninth class, she was my class teacher, and I'm not so good in English. So and like previously, my subject in which I struggle is English only, sir. So she is like that. उन्होंने सर मेरी बहुत improve करी English, and after that I'm being very comfortable with English subject. Also, sir. Talking about which exams I had given, so sir, like recently in January I had given JEE exam. After that, sir, I had appeared for my board, and after that, CUET exam, IMU CET exam for Merchant Navy, and ISER for ISERs of India.
What is that?
Sorry, sir.
ISER?
ISER, sir.
ISER.
Yes, sir.
IISER.
IIS, yeah. Sir, I want to become an officer in armed forces. This is my future goal, and other backup which I'm having is like, sir, I know that after graduation also I'm having entries from which I can join armed forces. So I want to become an officer in armed forces. So sir, like the backups which I having like right now, sir, I'm giving exams for all entrance exam for colleges, but I'm like thinking about pursuing BTech so that I can have BTech entries, which are graduate entries also, so that I can be a officer in armed forces. Also, sir, my education is being financed by my father only.
Okay. Any scholarship anywhere?
Not like, sir, in 12th class, as I had scored 80.6 percentage, sir, there are some like schemes which MP government provides. Like in that we are provided by laptops. So like that I have. Also, sir, in sports, sir, I have played in some tournaments. From that, I had like received a token of appreciation of some rupees.
What are you doing to improve your current affairs?
Sir, I'm trying to make an habit of reading newspaper regularly. But sir, majorly, sir, from online platform only, I used to be like updated from current affairs.
Right. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
Sir, my strengths are, sir, I'm very adaptive. Sir, I never give up, sir, at any point.
Okay.
And sir, I'm a team person.
Okay.
Sir, for weaknesses, sir, I used to like challenge myself at extremely sometimes, which result in not so good thing. Sir, I go for perfectionism. Like I need that. In some points I have to be like perfect, so that I am the one who is leading that group or that thing. Sir, the last weakness I would like to say is, sir, I'm not able to like trust the one जिससे सर मेरा एक बार एक्सपीरियंस like जिसने मेरे को कभी फेक रहा है मेरे साथ या फिर कभी मेरा ट्रस्ट तोड़ा है, सर उनको अगली बार नेक्स्ट टाइम जैसा पहले ट्रस्ट था सर वो मैं वापस डेवलप नहीं कर पाता.
तो वीकनेस है वो?
Yes sir, like cause sir it has been told that many people changed. Like कुछ अगर वो मिस्टेक कर देते तो वो चेंज हो जाते हैं, बट सर फिर भी मैं लाइक उतना ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पाता जितना पहले ट्रस्ट करता था.
Okay, so we were talking actually, we missed out your current affairs thing actually. So you said that you are doing something about it.
Yes sir.
Okay, very nice. So tell me, what is the latest with respect to IMEC, IMEEC? What is that?
Sorry sir, I like exactly as I don't know about that, sir. I know about like the 5-day tour of our Prime Minister.
5-day tour or 5-nation tour?
5-nation tour, sorry sir.
अच्छा चलो 5-nation tour. Which are 5 nations?
Sir, UAE, sir, Norway, Sweden, sir, Italy, and the last one, sir. Sorry sir, I'm not able to remember like at this point, sir.
एक और country है उधर ही.
Sir, can I guess if you allow? Sir, Netherlands, I think.
In fact, Netherlands visit was among all apart from UAE has been very very important visit, and we managed to get a very good understanding between two countries. वो क्या है? With Netherlands, what is the memorandum of understanding we signed?
Sir, exactly I don't know, sir. Sir, but sir, I had listened like some ancient ornaments and like things which we have like bought from Netherlands, which are
वो एक चीज़ है, बट उससे कई गुना एक ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट डील हुई है जो हम लोग की सबकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट.
Sorry sir, I don't know about that. Sir, I had read about Taiwan also, about like India and Taiwan is having
Taiwan.
Okay sir.
Taiwan is the country which produces 60% of the chip requirement of the world. छोटी सी कंट्री, 60% चिप वहाँ बनते हैं. ताइवान ने चिप मेकिंग में महारत हासिल कर ली है, एक्सपर्टीज. बट नीदरलैंड से क्या कनेक्शन?
Sir, sorry sir, I don't know about that. Sir, I will definitely going to read about that, sir.
हम कितना अपने रिक्वायरमेंट में कितना परसेंटेज ऑयल बाहर से लेते हैं? हाउ मच इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ इंपोर्ट वी हैव?
Sorry sir.
पहले ये फिगर आप बताओ मुझे आंसर, फिर बात करेंगे कि रशिया से आप कितने लेते हैं.
Sorry sir,
जो रशिया का नंबर दिया वही गलत दिया, वो तो बहुत गलत दिया. फर्स्ट आंसर शुड बी आवर इतने परसेंट ऑफ ऑयल रिक्वायरमेंट इज इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. अब मैं आंसर नहीं दूंगा, अपने आप पता करो. ठीक है, कितना हमारा टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट का हम कितना परसेंट इंपोर्ट लेते हैं और कितना हमारा होम ग्रोन प्रोडक्शन है, पहले ये फिगर क्लियर करो. अब जो हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट बाहर से आ रहा है, इंपोर्ट हो रहा है, उसमें से रशिया का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है, बाकी कंट्रीज का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है, वो पता करो. उसमें से कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन, उसमें से हॉर्मूज के थ्रू कितना आता है वो पता करो. उसमें से कितना सुएज कैनाल के थ्रू आ रहा है वो पता करो.
यस सर.
ठीक है, तो तब जाके तुम्हारे को समझ में आएगा आंसर.
यस सर.
अब मैं नहीं बताने वाला, अपने आप पता करो.
श्योर सर.
ठीक है.
श्योर सर.
Okay, so this is one thing which is crude oil. Other thing is we are also dependent on import of gas.
Yes sir.
LPG, LNG कहाँ से आती?
Sir, that major part comes from sir Strait of Hormuz only, sir. Like
Which country?
Sir, exactly sir. I'm
सारी
not.
कंट्री थोड़ा ना वहाँ पे वो गैस बना के दे रही हैं.
Yes sir.
तो पर्टिकुलर कंट्री है भाई वहाँ पे.
Sir, exactly, sir. I don't know the name, sir. But sir, we are having good relation with like Middle East, like countries like Saudi Arabia and UAE, sir.
गैस कौन दे रहा है ये बताओ मुझे यूएई दे रहा है या सऊदी अरेबिया दे रहा है
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, exactly, I don't know the.
ऑयल का तो हमने थोड़ी सी बात करी कि हमने यूएई से भी
Yes, sir.
डील कर लिया है तो मतलब वो ऑयल कुछ दे रहा है
Yes,
हमारे
sir.
को। अब कितना परसेंट दे रहा है ये भी तो कुछ जानना पड़ेगा
Yes, sir.
रशिया ने कुछ देना है कुछ सऊदी अरेबिया ने देना है कुछ यूएई भी देगा कुछ अदर भी कंट्रीज हैं और भी हैं जिससे हम ले रहे हैं तो कितना कितना किससे ले रहे हैं थोड़ा सा आइडिया तो होना चाहिए बट गैस कहाँ से आती है
Sir,
गैस भी तो चाहिए ना आपको
yes, sir.
कुछ दिनों में नहीं तो आपके चूल्हे बंद हो जाएंगे
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Sir,
अगर गैस नहीं आई तो
sir, sir. Right now, sir, I don't know. Sir, I will surely read about it.
दूसरी चीज व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एलपीजी एंड एलएनजी दोनों गैस हैं फुल फॉर्म ही बताओ पहले
Sir, liquefied petroleum gas,
Okay.
liquefied natural gas.
ओके क्या डिफरेंस
Uh,
फुल फॉर्म ठीक है बट डिफरेंस क्या है
sir, sir, I know about like LPG, sir. About LNG, sir, I'm not so clear, sir.
बताओ एलपीजी
Sir, like, sir, when we extract like coal, which is the most raw form, or sorry, crude oil, sorry, sir. At that time, sir, when we used to refine it, sir, at that time, the gases which are having like, which we can use to form other type of energy, sir.
So that means any country which is producing crude oil can also produce gas.
No, sir. Sir, for that also, sir, like particular technologies should be needed, sir.
वो टेक्नोलॉजी जब क्रूड ऑयल के लिए कर रहे हैं तो गैस भी तो लोग खरीदने को तैयार हैं तो वो गैस में भी टेक्नोलॉजी डाल के गैस भी निकाल लें और दें ना साथ में पर ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा
Yes, sir.
सऊदी अरेबिया अगर ऑयल निकाल रहा है तो वो ऑयल निकाल बेचने के जाना जाता है इट डजंट आई मीन सीन एज आई मीन एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ गैस आल्सो
Yes, sir.
ऑयल के लिए यस एवरीवन नोस बट अगर टेक्नोलॉजी उसी से रिलेटेड है तो वो तो बहुत अरबपति है ना सबसे महंगा तो बहुत पैसे वाली कंट्री है
Yes, sir.
तो उसको गैस वाला काम करने में क्या मुश्किल है फिर
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
ओके ओके तो भैया जानो
Yes, sir.
पढ़ो ओके व्हाट इज वेयर इज केप ऑफ गुड होप
Sir, I had heard about it, but sir, exactly the geographical location, sir, I don't know, sir.
वही बात कोई आंसर नहीं मालूम
Yes, sir.
वेयर इज हाइफा
Sorry, sir.
HAIFA
Sir, sorry, sir, I don't know, sir.
इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेसेस हैं कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया से उसका रिलेशन भी है
Sir, I will read about it, sir.
चलो ओके कोई बात नहीं गोविंद वी विल फिनिश आवर इंटरव्यू